What is up, guys? XD Vox, ABQAirsoft, Devin. Today I have the review of the TSD SD87B. This gun is a pump action spring shotgun. It is very, very good. Better than I thought it would be at first. I thought it was going to be a cheapy gun for its price, but this was actually pretty good. Here's the features on the box right here. It says that, let me zoom in for you guys. There's the features. Spring pump action, 14 rounds per shell. 4 shells come with the gun itself. Has a good 40 yards effective range. 250 feet per second with .2. And .2 are normally these white ones right here. It's a 1-in-1 scale. That means it fits the exact replica of the real one. Tactical rail systems and adjustable hop-up system. That is all true, and I'll be showing you everything about it today. Alright, guys. Right here we have the shells themselves and the speed loader it comes with. If you open up one of these shells, you see that there's a little thing in there to just shove the BBs in and load them. It's very effective, very, very, very effective. Down here we have the loading area. Just pop that off. As you can see, it goes perfectly. Take the shotgun shell, take it in there, press the lever back, put it in, let go of the lever, and then close the gate. Make sure it clicks for true action. You have the rail bores right here, and right here, as well as right here, and as well as right here. Main thing that you will notice is that you really don't see the pump. The pump blends in very well with the gun itself. Right here is the pump, and what you do is just pump it back, and it has a good effective cocking. Make sure that the thing goes all the way forward for the BB to load. Now on the railing bars, you can have anything you want on here. A laser, a scope, a light, spare magazine holder. It's actually really cool. So I'm going to put this back down for a second and show you the speed loader. This speed loader is meant for spring guns. There's not a lot of space in there. It's just pop it open, load some BBs in, and then there you go. But I'm not going to load the BBs. There's just a little clicker right there to lock it into place. So we have that there. The sling for the shells is a very effective. You put it right between the trigger area and one right next to the loading zone. On the other side, we have the adjustable hop-up right here, which is pretty good. Now, this is what it sounds like when it fires, and that went straight through a box. So, just telling you right now, this is it's good for its price. I have used this in a war already. It has helped me so much. It has an ability to where you can hold the trigger and just keep on cocking, and then it'll just keep shooting. That helped me very, very big. It's unlike holding a spring pistol where you have to pull it back, then fire, pull it back, then fire. this is my spring pistol, and this is what I mean. And then when you have this, all I have to do is hold it, and then it fires. It's very, very, very helpful. Now, to show you how it comes, I will open this. Comes with a warning manual, instruction manual, and stuff like that, with your warranty information and stuff. Pull this out, and this is the box with the accessories. They all come in here. That means the speed loader, the shells, and the shell holder all come in this box. And last but not least, we have the cleaning rod. This is used to clean whatever. Just take a small cloth, a very soft cloth, and put it through there, feed it through, and take it to the gun and feed it through, and then clean it. Let me put this back in the box. Sorry guys, sorry about that. It's not really going in. It is in. I'm gonna put this stuff back in here. And now to my overall thing. This is a great gun. I suggest getting it. It runs about $35 at shortyusa.com and about $40 on eBay and the local retailers. Overall, this gun has served me well over the past week, and it's very, very nice. So, that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this review. Please rate, subscribe, and comment. And tell me what you think of this gun in your own personal opinion. Thank you guys.